Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is my Simply Earth Essential Oil Recipe Box for December. This is one of my favorite subscription boxes. Comes with all sorts of goodies inside. So right on top, they do give you some nice stickers for the products that you make. That way you can label them. These ones have little trees on them, which is really cute and festive. And then we get some recipe cards and then different tips and tricks on the back, upcoming box previews, all sorts of stuff. So right on top, the very first one is Breathe Easy Bath Salts. All these are really simple recipes, very easy to follow, not too many steps. And you have everything in here. So on the back of it, so these are the oils in the box this month. We have the Breathe Easy Essential Oil Blend, which has fir needle, which I love, frankincense, cedarwood. Cool. We also have peppermint, patchouli. Oh my gosh, I love patchouli. And clove. Very excited for that. And that gives you a little information about it. So it says originally patchouli was used to deter insects from Indian silks. Sweet and musky scent, great for calming nervous tension. It's also great for improving skin appearance. That's cool. So we have that on the back of the first recipe. We also have a tension relief bath bomb. And that was kind of our hint from last month. They said there would be bath bomb making materials in here. And as you can see, we have a recipe for that. And it's continued on the back. So that one's a little bit more in depth. Also have a congestion support roll-on. And this talks about the referral program. If you refer 3 friends, you get a free month box. That's really cool. Trim the Tree Diffuser Blend. 2 drops of clove and 1 drop of patchouli. Definitely going to try that one. I bet that smells really good. And this just talks about giving the subscription as a gift. Then we have Cold Support Chest Rub. And December's cause of the month, Freedom's Journey. It gives you information about them, which is really cool. And the last one is Vanilla Mint Lip Scrub. Super simple. And then on the back talks about bath bombs. Very cool. And then in here we have the little mold to make the bath bombs. Just a simple round one. You press it together, make sure it's packed really full. Also have a container for the lip scrub. And the other containers they send, I think it's every 6 months. I'll have to check. But you get a big box of empty bottles and different containers. And anything that's not in there that you'll need for these recipes, they send in your box. So we have a container for that. We also have goat milk powder. 100% pure, sulfate-free, all-natural moisturizer. We also have some citric acid for the bath bombs. And then our essential oils. So here's the patchouli, the peppermint, clove, and then the Breathe Easy Blend. I'm going to smell that. I bet it smells really good. Yeah, and you could definitely smell the fir needle in there, which I love. I feel like I say that in so many videos. I love fir, pine, anything that smells like a Christmas tree I really like. So that smells really nice. And that is what I got. So then I can make the recipes if I choose to make them all, or if I just pick and choose, I like that. And then you have the stickers for all of them in case you want to label your products. I could put one on here for the lip scrub. And then you can keep track of every month what's in each little container. So it's really cool. If you guys want to sign up, I have a promo code below, and I'll link that in a playlist in case you want to see past boxes. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.